Most traders drown in indicators and still lose money. The problem was never too few signals, it's that no single signal is reliable on its own. The fix is Confluence, only taking a trade when several independent signals agree. This is the Confluence method, and in the next few minutes I'll show you the exact 4 signals that have to stack and the simple workflow that turns them into trades. Here's the whole method on one screen. A swing trade only qualifies when 4 signals stack on top of each other. 1. Price action and structure. Is the trend actually making higher highs and higher lows? 2. A key level, support, resistance, or a breakout line that matters. 3. Momentum. Is there real force behind the move, from volume or an oscillator like RSI? And 4. A trigger, the specific candle or close that tells you to act. Miss one and you don't have a trade. You have a hope. The first 2 signals are about location. Structure tells you the trend. A series of higher lows like these means buyers are in control, so you only hunt longs. The key level tells you where the action is. Here, a resistance the stock keeps testing. Structure plus level answers the 2 most important questions before any trade: which direction and at what price. The last 2 signals are about timing. Momentum confirms there's real force behind the move. When price pushes toward your level, you want RSI rising and volume expanding, not fading. And the trigger is the moment you act, a decisive close through the level, like this breakout. Location gets you ready, momentum and the trigger get you in. So how do you run this day to day? 4 steps. Scan, go through your watch list for names in a clean trend near a key level. Stack, check whether momentum and a trigger line up with that structure and level. Execute, take the trade with a defined stop and target only when all 4 agree. And review, log every trade, win or lose, so the method keeps sharpening. Scan, stack, execute, review, the same loop every week. Let's see it on a real chart. This is a live name on the daily time frame. Watch the structure trend up into a key level, momentum build underneath, and the breakout candle trigger the entry, for independent signals pointing the same way at the same time. That alignment, not any single indicator, is the edge. This is the mindset shift. One signal is a guess. For independent signals stacked together is an edge. You stop trying to predict the market and start reacting only when the evidence piles up in your favor. Fewer trades, but far better ones. That's the Confluence method. Price action, a key level, momentum, and a trigger, stacked, then run through scan, stack, execute, review. Every other video on this channel plugs into this one system. Subscribe so it all connects, and remember, this is education, not financial advice. Trade your own plan.